What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lena May, and I am back with another tutorial, y'all. I know I have been gone for a little while. It's just one of those things. Life gets in the way, and I just got busy. But anyways, I am getting ready to start a project because I've been in my house about a little over a year now, and this wall is plain. Let me show it to you. It needs some decor above my TV. So I am going to do a little project. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do a project. I recently was in Habitat for Humanity, and I found these window panes, and they're old and rusty, and so I was like, that would be great to put above my TV. So I bought two of them. They were only $5 a piece. Like, you cannot beat that. So I bought two of them, and I'm finally getting ready to get started on this project. So I just wanted to share it with you guys, and yeah, let's jump right in.
So first, y'all, I am getting the Windex and I am cleaning each piece of glass. This was very, very, very dirty, as you can see on the paper towel. Next, I was blue taping each around each piece of glass, just in case I dropped any paint, it wouldn't get on the window or the glass and mess it up. But this step was very, very, very tedious, and I felt like it was pointless because the frame color was so close to the color that I was gonna be painting it anyway, so I didn't need to do this step.
Okay, so I just painted it, and that was really quick. Okay, I just painted it. That was really quick. I decided to stop with the yellow tape. Lord have mercy, caution. With the blue tape because lost my train of thought. I decided to stop with the blue tape because in the inside, I don't know if you guys see me doing that, but because like the inside, the color that I chose is really close to the original color of this, which is black. So I don't really need to go in the inside, so therefore I don't have to worry about paint getting on the glass. But this paint right here is gonna give like this type of almost like a hardwood floor. And then I'm gonna go back after it dries. After I do another coat, I'm gonna go back with some sandpaper and like distress it to make it look like old, like country. What do you call it? Like a farmhouse like type of look. So that's what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'll start on the other one after this one dries. Y'all, make sure when you're painting, obviously, wear clothes that you don't care about. Clearly, I know I look chill, but I just bought these leggings, and I just spilt paint on them. So make sure you wear something you do not care about, or you'll be like me. I don't know if this is gonna come out, but it is what it is. I'm gonna keep wearing them. But yeah, so I'm gonna let that dry, and I'll come back in a few. All right, guys, so I'm back. It's been about maybe 4 or 5 hours since I've painted the first coat on the first one. I went ahead and painted the second one off camera, if you can see there. You see that there's not much difference. Can you see? Let me see. So it's like a gray color. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the second coat on now, and then I'm probably just gonna let that dry. Okay. I'm gonna put the second coat on, and I'm gonna let that dry overnight, and then I'll let you see. Sorry. Don't look at my junk. I've been out shopping. And I'll let you see how it looks when it's totally dry. And then the next step after it dries is to sand it with the sandpaper. Okay? All right, guys. So I'm back. I was actually able to put these outside on the back porch because it's really hot today. So they dried a lot faster. I didn't have to let them sit overnight. And I've already gone ahead and used some sandpaper and distressed the first one. So I'm going to show you what that's looking like. Well, maybe not. Hold on. Let's see. Can you see that there? So that's what the first one's looking like, and I'll probably do a little bit more. I'll probably do a little bit more, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the process on how I achieved this look. I think it looks really good. It's gonna look even better on my wall. So I'm gonna get another piece of sandpaper. And this is the sandpaper I got. Got it from Lowe's. It was like a little over $3. And it's 6 sheets in this pack. So just pull one off. All right. So here we are. Let's see, there. Okay. So just gonna take this sandpaper and let's see, you can see here, and just rub really hard until that paint starts to come off. And you can do this as much or as little as you like. It's up to you how you like it to look and what type of look you're trying to achieve. And me personally, I don't want it to be uniform because I just want it to look old, like it's been sitting somewhere for 100 years. So. Let's see if you can see. Can't really see, huh? Like, see those little, like these little lines? Oh. Like there, and there. And another way you can achieve this is by getting a lighter color paint and just making little brush strokes. Like, take a paintbrush and make like little strokes on the wood, and you can get the same look. Sandpaper, it's obviously harder. Look at my hair, I'm done sweated it out. But yeah, so it's gonna look really good when I put it up. And another thing I'm gonna do also on the wall, and I'll just grab, give me 1 second, I'll be right back. I got these letters from Michael's. So they spell out home, so I'm gonna paint these also and put H. This is gonna be my O, and then ME somewhere up there too. I'll show you all the ending product when I'm finished. But yeah, guys, that is that. So I'll be back when I get it all on the wall, and I'll let you see the final results. All right, guys, so it is the next day. Everything is dry and on the wall, as you can see behind me. I am really, really, really happy with the results and how everything came out. Y'all, excuse me, I've been out all day, so I look a hot mess. But that's besides the point. My project is done. I'm so excited. It just makes this wall kind of complete. So I'm getting ready to show you the results. Let me come on here to this angle. So here everything is. What y'all think? Tell me what you think. Let me see if I can like zoom. Maybe let me just step back some. Okay. So yes, this is the final results. I think it looks really good on this wall. I'm gonna show you up close. So you can see here how I like scratched the paint off and kind of made it look old and distressed. And then here are my letters that I painted. So yeah. All right, y'all, so this concludes the video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you decide to make your own wall decor, please, please, please drop a picture below in the comments. I would love to see what you came up with. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can keep up with me, because I will be back. So yes, tell me what y'all think.